What's up guys, it's Michael and welcome to Trading Like Magic, and our crypto market sentiment analysis today is 52, which is neutral. Coin market cap today, Bitcoin 5% up, Ethereum sideways, Cardano sideways, XRP sideways, Doge sideways, Polkadot 3% up, UNISWAP 2% up to 3% up, Theta 7.46 up, ICP 15% up, okay, 7% up, Clay 5.2% up. Crypto bubbles, I only see Amp and SafeMoon is red, the rest is green. BCHA 123% up, VGX 93% up, Rune 42% up, Ravencoin 45.4% up, Luna 33.2% up, Dot 30% up, Compound 17.4% up, Link 20% up, Solana 24.5% up. Let's go to the chart. Crypto index on the daily chart, I see this descending channel. On the 4-hour chart, see this wedge, and right now it's also creating a descending channel, but we do have the trend line here. Let's see if the price will break on this trend line or it will just continue to go down. I would consider, if you're in a bull run, it should the price should break on this trend line. 4-hour chart, we see this wedge and it also created a ascending channel, and right now it's creating a descending channel. So this is a bullish pattern. So let's see if the price will go down here maybe and pop up. The point is, as long as we're still below on this trend line, we're still on the bearish trend. But if the price break on this trend line, we are now in a bull cycle. So Ethereum on the 4-hour, I see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now we are in the 5th wave. It's also creating a ascending channel. Let's see what happens. The price already broke on these trend lines, but we are on the 5th wave. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I posted this one last July 24th. Ta-da! Right now the price is here. So Dogecoin, I posted this one too last July 21st. Somewhere here, we're still somewhere here at the end. It popped up, but I mentioned it's kind of too weak, and I also see a head and shoulders pattern here. That's why the price went down a bit. It also broke on this ascending channel. Let's monitor the price if it's still going to pop to the upside, or it will go down somewhere here at 13 cents, not somewhere at 8 cents. But right now we'll just monitor the price. Shiba, same on this channel here. So let's see if the price will break to the upside or it just go to the downside and go up. MATIC, my previous target was 52 cents, but it broke on this trend line. On the 4-hour chart, yes, it did broke on the trend line channel, and right now it's also creating a sideways channel, so we might see the price drop or go up on this channel. Filecoin broke on this descending channel, and right now it's also creating ascending channel. Storj, I posted this one last July 28th. There's a flag formation here. We're here at $48. I posted this one last July 28th. Ta-da! And the price is right here now. So already reached. So this right now, this could be your first leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next target would be $2.33. We'll see. I'm expecting a pullback for now for the one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll monitor the price. I think that's it, guys. Follow my trades here on TradingView. I put the link below and just do the basic one and it's free. Okay guys, take care and I love you. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.